This is Root Literacy Design, where we share stories, tips, and tools for educators implementing evidence-based literacy. Please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel so we can keep helping educators like you.
All right. Hello, everyone. My name is Miss Kerry. I am a teacher at the first grade teacher at the Compass School. And today I am here to explain to you about the homework practice sheets from UFLI Foundations. So for the UFLI homework practice sheets, it has 5 different parts to it. Okay, the first part, you will have your child read the words hand, fast, best, list, stop, jump. Then we will go down to the irregular words, otherwise called heart words. Look, have them read look, book, are, was, you, what, have. These are all words that were introduced in class. Now, after reading, students will go to the worksheet we have, and they'll first write their names at the top. This is my name, but you'll have your child write their name, and the date will be already written. Then students will see two words each week that will appear differently each week on their sheets. The first word here, we have what. Have your child write the word what across the page as many times as they can with spaces between the words. So W, H, A, T, what? W, H, A, T, reminding them to say the letters as they say and the word. W, H, A, T, what? W, H, A, T, what? And you will do the same thing for the second heart word that appears on your sheet each week. Okay, the next part to the home practice is the word chain. And our word work chain, you'll follow the sheet. There are 2 chains. We'll go ahead and do the first one together. The first word is just. You'll have your child manipulate the sounds they hear in the word and make changes. Just. J, s, t, just. J, J, s, t, just. Change just to rust. R, s, t, rust. R, s, t, rust. Change rust to rest. R, s, t. 4 sounds. R, s, t. Rest. Change rest to west. W, s, t. Oh, the first sound changes. W, s, t. West. Now you will follow this word chain for the second one on the bottom part of the sheet going across, like we just did for the first one. Great. Okay, the next part is writing our sentences. Now there are 2 sentences that appear on the homework sheets. Students will write the sentence after hearing it. He went to get help. Have your child repeat the sentence. He went to get help. He, H-E, that's a hard word. He went. W-E-N-T, went. W-E-N-T, went. He went to, it's another hard word, to get, G-E-T, 3 sounds, G-E-T. He went to get help. E-L-P, 4 sounds, E-L-P, help. Oop, I need to add my punctuation mark. He went to get help. Have your child check their work. Check in the first letter in the word, the first word, starting with a capital letter. Make sure there are spaces between the words. Check the spellings in the words and making sure there is a punctuation mark at the end of the sentence. Then you will move on to do the next sentence on number 2, as it appears here. Okay, and this is the end of the homework practice.